Now it's not gonna squeak. You took the squeaker out. You know that? Now the turtle won't squeak. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Maxwell, did you know? Did you know? Did you? What did you know? Huh? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. You dropped it. I need to get you a new box if I ever go into work. I haven't been in the office for 3 weeks. And then after this Friday, I'm on vacation till January 3rd. What are we gonna do together for 2 weeks? Oh my gosh. 2 weeks with no work. I'll have to go in this weekend and get you a box. Popeye! I'll go in this weekend and get you a new box when nobody's there. I put Christmas decorations on my desk and then I haven't been in since I've decorated. You know that? I think your box is in pretty rough shape, huh? I think it's about time for a new one. We'll get you a new box for Christmas. That'll be your Christmas present. Since you'd rather play with boxes than toys. Sound like a good idea? Sound like a good idea? We'll say, Santa Claus, can you get Max a new box? Ask Santa Claus to get you a new box. Okay, tell everybody goodbye since you're not doing anything. Bye, happy Thursday.